Subash here, and in this video I'm going to share with you on how to use visualization technique to get what you want very quickly. By the end of this video, you're going to learn 3 important processes to visualization that will ultimately crush your goal. So please make sure you stick around till the end of this video. The visualization method I'm about to share with you is going to give you results rather than getting you stuck wanting only. Before I begin this video, I want to quickly announce that the free one-to-one consultation with me for the Self-Mastery Online program is open. So make sure you click on the link in the description below to sign up for your free consultation with me to see if you would be a good fit to work together. And make sure you comment Self-Mastery Online down below for a chance to win my free digital book every single Saturday. With that, let's get started. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to visualize to create a reality for you. Whether it's a quitting smoke or going to gym 5 times a week goal, or working towards financial freedom, using these techniques will help you to achieve that. My name is Subash and I'm an entrepreneur and the author of the book titled From Chain Smoker to Non-Smoker. Today I will share 3 tips that will help you to visualize, so watch till the end of this video. Today I want to talk about visualization and why so many people keep getting stuck into the same pattern, and even if they do visualization, they don't get any results. They keep getting stuck with the same goal and same desire, and it always stays as desire. The main issue that most people have is being too mechanical. They do visualization from the scarcity mindset. I was one of them. I kept getting stuck in the desire of being financially free due to the scarcity and a quick win mindset rather than an abundance mindset. After writing the goal and reading it for 1 year, I had nothing to show for. I kept reading. I'm so happy and grateful that by the end of September, I would have $100,000 in my bank account. I did it for 1 year and I had only a few thousand to show for. After realizing that I'm doing something wrong, it leads me to search more into this topic. Then I figure out what works and what doesn't. I kept a journal of this exact process, which I'm about to share with you. The biggest mistake people make is not being clear on what they want and misunderstand the visualization in the first place. This is very important. When you want something to manifest in your life, you need to ask why I am doing this. What is the purpose of my visualization? If you're not clear, then any activities that you do won't be effective. Please understand that just by doing visualization only is not going to give you the result. Visualization opens up the door for you and makes your mind more aware of the opportunities to take the right action. When you have a clear purpose, visualization works like a magnet. It attracts all the tools and resources for you. You will need to believe that what you're visualizing is possible, honestly. What do I mean by that? If your goal is to lose 10 pounds, then without a doubt, you need to believe that you can do it. You'll need to picture the ideal self with the image of 10 pounds less you. There's no doubt in your frame that you're not that. In this example, ask why you want to lose that 10 pounds. Is it for a health reason? Is it really for financial reasons? Be crystal clear. Many people misunderstand the purpose and lack clarity. For example, they make a goal of losing 10 pounds and they try hard for a few days, and when they don't see the weight coming off as they pictured, they get discouraged and stop it altogether. Or they try to quit smoking straight away and they often fail and they stop completely. They put a resolution for quitting and they will try to take pills, patches to fast track. However, without working on the mindset, they often fail, sometimes sooner, sometimes after weeks, months, or even years. When you get clear with your goal and start visualizing, the idea is not to look for quick gratification. When you want to visualize, ask yourself, is this coming from the scarcity or abundance mindset? This was a very important lesson for me. Number 2, visualize to feel the best version of yourself. If you want to lose weight, experience how 10 pounds less you will feel and what they will be able to do. There are 2 types of visualization, which I call final frame visualization and in-progress frame visualization. I would picture the final version of myself in the final frame visualization, light, happy, healthy, and energetic. This is something I would do every morning and nighttime, just before I go to bed. In-progress visualization is what I would do towards the result. For example, if my final frame is losing 10 pounds in 1 month, so I would picture when I'm walking, I'm losing some weight every day. I would picture I'm getting lighter. When we visualize like this, even our walking will change. Even if I didn't go to the gym, I would go for a walk today and do in-progress visualization to see I'm already getting 1 pound lighter. I would picture fat melting off my body while I'm walking. If my goal is to quit smoking, my end frame is feeling healthy, breathing fresh air, running, enjoying time with my friends and family. And my in-progress visualization would be, while I'm not smoking right now, I'm getting healthy. My body is healing. Whether you quit straight away or not, if you visualize that you're getting healthy right now while not smoking, it will move you in that direction. Even if you don't smoke for 10 minutes, picture that you're getting healthy and confirm that you're moving towards a healthy life. Number 3, getting confirmation. When you visualize, your mind will open to new ideas and opportunities. When you don't get attached to the final result and start making progress, the idea is to confirm that you are moving in that direction. If you pushed yourself to not smoke for 2 hours, do visualizing that you are getting healthy and new cells are generating, healing your body. Every single time, give yourself a confirmation that you are progressing. Don't jump from 100 cigarettes per day to none. Although you can do that as well, you could just have in-progress visualization to reduce by 10 today. Once you get confirmation that you can easily reduce to 10, it confirms and makes it real for you. If you can do cold turkey, that's great. However, as long as you're clear on your purpose. When you're clear on a purpose, you will know how you will deal with many circumstances after quitting. That'll make you really successful. Okay, so with that, let's get to steps one more time. Step 1, get clear on your purpose, on why you want to do this. Is it for your health? Is it for saving money? Make it crystal clear on your mind why you want to lose weight or quit smoking, for example. Step 2, do final frame visualization and in-progress visualization. Every morning and nighttime, do the final frame visualization. As explained, final frame visualization is the final version of you who has already achieved the goal and how they are enjoying that life. In-progress visualization is what you do every single moment when you're doing something. For example, if your goal is to lose weight, even when you're walking, visualize that you are getting healthier. If your goal is to quit smoking, your in-progress visualization is getting healthier and you can breathe better already when you're not smoking, or when you extended your not smoking time by even 15 minutes. Step 3. Getting confirmation. Every single day, get a confirmation that you are achieving. When you extend your not smoking time by 10 or 15 minutes, give yourself a confirmation that you are progressing. You are getting healthier. Picture your lungs healing. You can do quit smoking affirmations. Click up here or in the description below to check out the affirmation videos. This simple process will help you to move towards your ideal goal and reprogram your subconscious mind. Doing visualization alone is not magically going to give you results. However, it programs your mind and move you automatically towards your goal. You can use this technique for any goals and desires you have, as long as it's coming from an abundance, not a scarcity mindset. I hope this really helped, and I'll be creating more videos on this kind of topic. And if you're new to this channel, please make sure you like, you comment, you subscribe, and hit that little bell so that you're notified of any new videos that I put out. Also, I would love to know what you think of this video, so please leave me a comment. And also, I'm excited to announce that the free one-to-one consultation for the Self-Mastery Online program is open, where you get an opportunity to work with me closely so we can help you unblock all areas of your life while helping you to quit smoking. And what we do in the Self-Mastery Online program is we work at the core and the subconscious level, because where you are in your life right now is all the result of who you are. Okay? Where you want to get to is you need to become the version that's worthy of it. My life changed completely with this visualization technique to achieve lots of my goals and desires. I hope this will help you as well and fast track learning from my experience. Please make sure you click on the link in the description below to sign up for your free one-to-one consultation with me, and I would love to help you in person. I'm super excited to announce that the free Facebook group is open, so you can click the link in the description below to sign up. I will be building a community of great people. With that, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, stay fearless.